How to enable debug mode on WordPress with cPanel account. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to enable debug mode on WordPress. Let's open the browser. On the browser, enter into your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Now, you are on your cPanel account. Click on File Manager. Now click on public_HTML. This is the folder where you usually have the files for your WordPress. If you have a different path, you can use that path. You will have multiple files. You will see there wp-config.php. Right-click the file, select from the menu Edit. Click again Edit. On this editor, find on the bottom of the file the line I have here. Change from false to true. After that, save the file to make changes. Click on Save Changes. You can also enable debug log and error display by adding 2 more lines like this. Let's add a line for adding a logger to the site. This will create a file on the server with all the error logs. Let's also add a line for showing all errors on the site. Let's save the file for the lines to be saved. These 2 lines are optional. Let's refresh the site so the file for debugging to be generated. The debug file should have been generated. Go back to the tab with the File Manager. The debug file will be located on wp-content. You see here there is a file called debug.log. You can open this file and check all errors. This is how you enable debug on the WordPress site on the cPanel account. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.